Hi, so in this video I'm going to share with you how I made over $7,000 with one email. Now if you're watching this video, it's going to be straight to the point. Again, if you are watching my videos, you know that we go deep, straight to the points, so that you can understand what is going on and how you can duplicate what I'm showing you here right now on the screen. So as you can see right now, I am on one of the ClickBank offers. It's in the health and wellness space, so it's a physical product. And as you know, you can run traffic as an affiliate, you can run paid traffic, or you can build email lists doing email marketing and then make huge return on investment as an affiliate. So as you can see over here, this is one email, right? But what I'm going to show you is this, right? If you're building email list and using just copy and paste emails from ClickBank, then of course you cannot expect great results, because there are different methods, right? Different tools that you can use to harvest this email list, to nurture them, and then make huge commissions as an affiliate. As you can see here, there is one of the emails, right, that is given to you, or like free templates, free emails on ClickBank. Subject line is simple nighttime routine, melts stubborn fat while you sleep, right? This is headline, this is subject line, and then there is the whole call to action, whole copy, right? Call to action at the end, and that's it. Now this can work, right? And it can work. It works many times. But if you really want to make maximized commissions, then watch until the end of this video, because I'm going to show exactly what personal emails I'm writing and using to make these kind of commissions. Now this is what affiliates are using, right? Most 99.9% of people who are not super affiliates, they're using those stuff. As you can see, free templates, right? Now what I will do if I were you is this. Let me share it with you over here. So as you can see over here, this is one of the emails, but this is not for ClickBank offers. This is for financial offers. So basically, for example, penny stock offers, financial leads gen offers. So as you can see, it's totally different. I'm not sharing you the whole concept, the whole email, but it's totally different position, and whole authority is totally different than from free stuff that you can get on ClickBank. As you can see, subject line, you, the Rocky Balboa of the penny stock market, question mark. And then I position my email in the reverse psychological way, so that the person understand, they get pre-sold. It's very important, they have to get pre-sold. Remember, those are people who never heard of us, who never heard of the offer, yet they buy on the spot. Why? Because we understand what we are doing in the email, right? We are positioning the offer, we are pre-selling 5 points. And most ClickBank courses, most gurus on ClickBank are not sharing this with any of their courses. You know, there is the way, if you follow it methodology, method by method, step by step, right? When you're sending out emails, you can follow up with your subscribers, and then you not only nurture and build a relationship in the same time, but you also make huge commissions and affiliate sales every single day. Now you don't need lots of sales. If you have, let's say, an offer, like in this case, I got $300 per sale. So in this case, one sale per day, right? For a whole month, it's almost $10,000 per month, or $9,000 per month, with only one sale per day using one email. Now, as I mentioned before, right? There are many ways that you can set up those emails, and you need to have someone to guide you through step by step, to show you exactly how to set it up, and then how to do surveys. Surveys are really important, right? Once you have 5,000 people on the email list, you survey them. You send them special email to know what they want, and then giving that to them. It's simple once you understand it, but wording and everything, it's really important in email marketing. So let's go to the next step, right? Over here you can see another example, right? It's personal story. As you can see here, because when I was a kid, Dad took me to the school parking lot and we practiced in the ice a lot. At first it was scary, but then before too long, you know what happens? The fear, and it all become fun, right? The stock market is exactly the same. You see, we are selling penny stock market offer, financial offer, or let's say insurance offer, if you will, in this email. This is not the whole email, yeah, this is just small part of whole email. yet people buy because it's totally positioned differently than most clickbank emails that you get for free, right? Those are specially crafted emails that gets you hand raisers, right? People to say, yes, I'm in, and then buy on the spot, no matter what the price point is. Because what matters is that they feel that they are understood in that email, right? So it matters what kind of email you're sending out, how you position it, right? You can just build a list and then send crappy affiliate scammy offers, and you will not generate any sales whatsoever. So it's really important how to do it. Now, if you're watching this video, as you can see over here on the screen, right, you need to understand market map. It's really, really important, right? Like I'm sharing before in my previous videos, to understand your audience, what they are saying, what they are seeing, what they are hearing, right? Yeah, basically you have to understand that, so you can position your emails or ad copy or whatever, Google Ads, right? When you're building email lists, to know who is your audience at first. Little bit of research, 15 minutes research will do you more benefit than having expensive software, I don't know, copywriting guru, right? Or trick or technique, right? So you don't have to be perfect in copywriting, but you just have to understand who is your market, right? Relate to that market, and then make huge affiliate sales and be very different from the rest of the affiliates who are sending copy and paste same kind of emails out every single day. So just people at the end of the day just unsubscribe because it's lots of noise, lots of noise. You just tone it down, put all the noise out, focus on one thing, and then make it happen with the right email copies and understanding your audience. So what is the better way, right? What is the best way? It's having an opt-in page, running Google Ads, for example, YouTube Ads. Let's say Google Ads in this case, Google pay-per-click, to the opt-in lead gen offer. People opt in, they put name and email. In the same time after they put it, you send them to the thank you download page. They get free cookie, free gift, webinar, or whatever, right? Buy that offer, plus they give you the email. So that's how you can make it free, building your list, right? Free, because basically you paid for the ads on Google, let's say $10 to $15 per day or $25 per day, yet you got email, you got their name, right? You collect the leads, and in the same time on the next page you sell them the affiliate offer. So then you repeat sales and so on and so forth, with upsells, with follow-up emails, with follow-up sequences, and all that can be done for you and done with you if you are serious and if you want to have those consistent $100 or $500 days with email marketing, right? Promoting offers without having to gamble your way with ads, with Facebook ads, worrying that your ad account is going to get shut down. So what you can do next, you can contact me one-on-one after watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips, and you can receive my VIP free bonus, which is actually ads formula, Google Ads formula, and plus how to build your own email list so you can start having results. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and below this video are links to my social media accounts, also my WhatsApp numbers. You can reach out to me if you're serious and if you want to get started, to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way to start seeing some kind of sustainable results. I'm not talking about overnight riches, I'm talking about sustainable results where you can scale up slowly when you have your first €200 or $300 a day, and they'll scale up to 400 and 500 and so on and so forth, right? Systematically, so that it's not only 1 month, but it's consistent every month, month after month, so you can scale up slowly and start having real life results. Again, thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.